In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a countdown timer to your Klaviyo email campaign. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account. Once you are on your dashboard, navigate to the specific email campaign or email template where you want the countdown timer to appear. Open that email and go into the editing section so you can modify its contents. At this stage, you will see the body of your email displayed on the screen, ready for customization. Klaviyo does not have a built-in countdown timer feature, so you will need to obtain one from a third-party provider. In this example, we will use a free service called Mail Timers. Open a new browser tab and search for Mail Timers using your preferred search engine. Click on the official Mail Timers website, which should appear at the top of the search results. Once on the site, click on the Sign Up button located at the top right-hand corner of the page. You can choose any sign-up method you prefer. In this case, I will choose to sign up with Google for speed and convenience. Once your account is successfully created, you will see an option labeled Create Your First Timer. Click this button to begin building your timer. Start by selecting the exact date and time when your offer, promotion, or sale ends. This ensures that the countdown is accurate for your marketing campaign. You can also select the appropriate time zone for your audience. Below this, you will find customization options that allow you to change the timer's appearance, including the text color, background color, and more. If you want, you can enable advanced settings to make the background transparent or even upload a custom background image. For this example, we will keep the timer simple. Once you have completed your customization, click Save. After saving, your timer will be generated and you will be provided with an embed code. Click the option to copy embed code. Now, return to Klaviyo and in your email editor, drag and drop a text block from the left-hand panel into the position where you want your countdown timer to appear. Open the source code view for this text block by clicking the small arrow next to source. Delete any existing placeholder text and paste in the embed code you copied from Mail Timers. Scroll down and click Apply to save your changes. You should now see your countdown timer embedded in the email. Once satisfied, save your template or proceed to send it to your subscribers.